Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Abraham Street, and in this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you, say basically four affiliate website that you can start making money online today. So you just start creating some funnels or promote it how you want to promote it, and start making some money. So basically, the first thing anybody want to do online is finding out what niche they're in. So and then you're gonna be want to be searching for products. You're gonna be wanting to know what products you want to promote and shit. So today I'm gonna be sharing with you four websites that's built for affiliates to find products to promote, no matter what niche you're in. So basically, I just want you guys to stick to this video and enjoy it. So let's dive right in. So the first page is like our website is Warriors Plus. Basically, this is a affiliate website, but that you can find any products. But majority of the products are say basically all the products on this website you can say is for digital business. It's all about digital products, education products. So basically, if you're gonna in the well niche or let's not say well in like want to promote physical products or shit, this ain't the one for you. We have one. We have a lot more. So this is all about the education for digital business and shits like that and online. So this is all about teaching people how to make. I can say probably how to make more money online or shit. So as you can see here, see right here. Okay. So Warrior Plus is all about digital products online based. So this is Max Bounty, and I've never used this one before. Actually, only two of them I've really said use. So Max Bounty is a AP, what is it, CPA company. It is called CPA stands for cost per action. So basically, Max Bounty like reward people that who collect leads and stuff. They literally pay you for your leads and for clicks and shit, because basically they see the value in collecting lead and stuff. So and as I heard, right, when you're become an affiliate of Maximum, they actually give you uh because say a business manager. So you're gonna have somebody that you can text, call, and whatever. So basically, you can look at them and say, "Hey, I want to promote this," and then I say, "Okay, Albert, I know what niche you're in, and I will find some products for you." So basically, that's wonderful to have a business manager that can help you out and stuff. And I'm gonna say for all these programs, they actually have training for themselves. So for anyone new, they do have training, but I would say number one recommended way how to make money online is right below this video, and that's to be honest, that's an education company. Basically, can that's teach you about how to make money online, the tools and all those shit. So basically, there is where I learn majority of the stuff online. So I would recommend if you're new, just check out my number one recommended way on making money online. The next company is JV Zoo. Uh, Sorry about that. So JV Zoo, you can actually find any products here. So no matter what niche you're in, if you hear like about what, sorry, I'm in Jamaica, from Jamaica, love Jamaica, die for Jamaica. And let me check. How is everybody in this pandemic? I know the world is under a crisis right now. This corona shit fucking up the whole plan with everything. So sorry for my language, Abe. people out there don't like people because better than shit like that. But this pandemic is fucking up our whole society. No one can go, no one can sneeze. But I'm gonna be honest, I kind of like it in certain ways. Like these memes are funny. Jamaican loves the joke. Jamaican love making joke about everything. Not when it's on them though. Hmm. But basically, these are the categories. So you can find like, say, from you if you're interested in games, game system, game guide, employment. So basically, there's a lot of categories, a lot of things you can promote. For this now, you're gonna have to request to promote their products. Basically, so here you like have to like send a letter, send something to the vendor, and basically they will grant you access if they want you to. So, and this is like for this particular product, I don't even know what I'm going to click on. But if you sell, this is you're gonna get 50% of this, and then after that you're gonna get it's this look like it's a monthly, it's like a membership shit. So sorry, so every month, so the person is gonna pay this, and you're gonna get like a 35% of that. So basically, you're gonna have to request to promote their product. Sorry about that. This one also this Warriors Plus, you have to like email the vendors to tell them that you want to request to join become an affiliate for their products, and they can pick and choose if they want to allow you to. So, and the last bad boy is ClickBank. Basically, I usually say this is the number one affiliate website out there, and I can say this: it's the easiest way to start promoting stuff. Basically, to find products and stuff because it's mostly free and you don't have to go through the hassle of requesting for anything. And sorry, but let's just say the max bounty literally, if you want to become an affiliate of them, you're gonna have to fill out a form and then they're gonna interview you and all those shit. So basically, the process here is kind of long because you're gonna go on a live fucking webinar with them, and so they want to know you. They want to know who are the person that they're letting in their platform. I understand, and with them, as I said, you're gonna get manager. So they basically the manager is gonna be the in one interviewing you. So basically, they want to know who they're partnering with and say if you're like fit for their company, and you're like if you're new, just tell them you're new and stuff. But basically, they just want to know who is coming here and if they can trust you and stuff. If you're not going to take this shit for a joke. Basically, some people will say, "Oh, I want to make money online, or I want to do affiliate marketing and start it today, tomorrow." They say, this shit is too hard," or "I'm so confused." But anything in life, you have to practice. You have to take actions, and if you don't take action and just continue learning, then that's not gonna make sense. You're not gonna see any results. So I would say like take learn today, learn just like go on a little training. Then after the training, just take action and don't wait till another hour to because probably forget all the shit that you learned. But let's say this is ClickBank, and as I said, this one is probably the easiest one to set up. Uh, to be honest, I'm not sure how to set it up now because I've created my account like a year or so. But basically, these are all the categories. And basically, when you want to promote something, that does. I just click on employment and jobs, I think. Yep. So just click on promote. there, and they're gonna give you a tracking ID, or you can just click here. Well, this is basically for the affiliates. Anybody who want to promote their stuff, so basically put in your email address for some resource, and here you would make a $20 per sale for this particular product. So that's basically how you find, like, these are this that's basically it, guys. So yeah, those four websites. And just for anybody out there, so basically when you're promote, like, come on this, look at this. It's if this is between less than 20, I would say don't promote it. That means it's moving pretty shitty. So look for anything that's over 20. Just a little tip for you guys. So, uh, sorry, sorry. I just want to say, how are you guys? I haven't created a video in a while, so I hope you guys left a lot of comments and tell me how you're feeling about this coronavirus and how it's treating you and how it's life and stuff. Because uh, I'm gonna be start creating videos like every single day if it's possible. Uh, at least 3 videos a week though. Basically, I don't know when I'm going back to work, so I just basically have to invest my time in my business. So basically, if they do call me back and say, "Oh, Brent, you can come in," I can say, "Hey, sorry, but I'll quit or I resign because this shit is making me more money, and I just want to focus in my on my business and enjoy life." Because basically, why I'm doing this is for I love to travel, even though I can't travel now because of this corona shit. I love to travel. I want to enjoy the world. I want to see the whole world before I die. So that's my dream. And working a 9 to 5 ain't gonna cut it out. And helping out people is pretty wonderful as well. I believe I help more people than I help myself. So this online thing that I'm in, the make money niche, basically I help people how to make money online, teach them and guide them. I show them a platform they can use, and if you want an assistant, I can help you out. And let's say if you guys want to know my number one recommended way how to make money online, the link is right below. So I just want to say for all those four websites, the link is gonna be right below here as well. So just drop some links in the, just drop some comments and tell me how you guys feel. Tell me how you feel about this corona business, cause it's fucked up. But hope you guys have a wonderful night and stuff. So I just want to say peace and see you guys soon, like tomorrow soon. Mhm.